Thanks for taking the time to run through OpenSpace. OpenSpace is the most efficient way to photo document your job site and solves the problem of lots of people taking photos of a site on their phone with limited control over how that's organized and where the information ends up. There's 3 simple components to how our Capture product works. Your site team receive a 360 camera and mounting kit for their hard hat and link the camera to our OpenSpace app on their phone before nominating their starting position in our app and doing their site walk. The camera will take a 360 image every half a second, and once the captures are uploaded into OpenSpace, our AI vision engine processes that data and maps it onto the floor plans. What you get is an accurate depiction of your job site, like a Google Street View, visible from anywhere you have an internet connection. Because it's learning AI, processing times can be as fast as 15 minutes, and you don't have to worry about starting and stopping at the same points. It's all done for you. It's really easy to navigate through OpenSpace. You can move around through every frame in 360 degrees. You can open up the minimap to jump to anywhere on the floor plan, or you can click on these blue donuts to skip some frames to the areas of highest image quality. There's a calendar view that you can use to see that space at different points in time. You can also compare different points in time next to each other by opening up our split view feature. Used well, you can use split view to start to see what's under concrete or what's between walls. On site, you can use our Reveal Mode tool in the OpenSpace app to see concealed work and the real-time location of services to increase the accuracy of your trades. You can also upload your BIM model to compare your capture, similar to split view using our BIM Compare tool. BIM Compare is an easy way to identify discrepancies and issues between what appears on the BIM model versus what is actually being built on site. You can create field notes with custom tags while you're capturing or after your captures have been published. Field notes pin photos to your floor plan so you can quickly log defects, safety issues, and anything else that you'd like to flag. You can create PDF field note reports so you can keep your subbies separated from your captures, but still give them a view of tasks. Shared folders allows you to share certain captures with clients, consultants, and offsite contractors, rather than giving them access to the entire story of the project. And last but not least, when the project finishes, you can request an offline deliverable in HTML format that has your images sorted and organized for your handover. So far, I've talked about our core product, which allows you to capture your site. Apart from general progress, OpenSpace has been used for dilapidation reports, progress claims, resolving disputes, and saving costly rework to bring projects back on schedule and even ahead of schedule, all while reducing travel time. This was a really quick overview of OpenSpace and how we can make your job site more efficient at tracking progress. If you'd like to organize a proper demonstration, please reach out.